Welcome to this lesson on Dalton's atomic theory, where we explore the concept of indivisible spheres. This theory represents the first scientific atomic theory that revolutionized our understanding of matter and laid the foundation for modern chemistry. John Dalton was an English chemist, physicist, and meteorologist who lived from 1766 to 1844. He published his groundbreaking atomic theory between 1803 and 1808. This was the first scientific model that successfully explained the chemical behavior of matter. Dalton based his theory on experimental evidence and mathematical reasoning, making it a true scientific breakthrough. Let's begin with the first two fundamental postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Postulate 1 states that all matter is composed of extremely small particles called atoms. Postulate 2 declares that atoms are indivisible and indestructible particles. This means that atoms cannot be broken down into smaller pieces and they cannot be destroyed through any chemical process. Moving to postulates 3 and 4. Postulate 3 states that atoms of the same element are identical in size, mass, and properties. For example, every carbon atom is exactly like every other carbon atom. Postulate 4 tells us that atoms of different elements differ in size, mass, and properties. So a carbon atom is different from an oxygen atom in terms of its size, mass, and chemical behavior. Now we come to postulates 5 and 6. Postulate 5 states that atoms combine in simple whole number ratios to form compounds. For instance, water is formed when two hydrogen atoms combine with one oxygen atom, giving us a ratio of 2 to 1. Postulate 6 explains that atoms of different elements can combine in different ratios to form different compounds. The same elements can create entirely different substances depending on how many atoms of each element combine. The seventh and final postulate is crucial for understanding chemical reactions. It states that in chemical reactions, atoms are rearranged, combined, or separated. However, atoms are never created or destroyed. This principle forms the basis of the law of conservation of mass, which tells us that matter cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction, only transformed. Dalton visualized atoms as solid, hard spheres, similar to billiard balls. In his model, atoms were uniform, indivisible, and indestructible. Each atom was thought to be a perfect sphere with no internal structure. This simple model helped scientists understand and predict chemical behavior, even though we now know that atoms do have internal structure. Dalton's atomic theory was supported by three fundamental laws of chemistry. The law of conservation of mass states that mass is neither created nor destroyed in chemical reactions. The law of definite proportions tells us that a compound always contains the same elements in the same proportions by mass. Finally, the law of multiple proportions explains that when elements form different compounds, the mass ratios are small whole numbers. These laws provided strong evidence for the existence of atoms. Despite its groundbreaking nature, Dalton's theory had limitations that were discovered later. First, atoms are actually divisible. The discovery of subatomic particles, namely electrons, protons, and neutrons, proved that atoms can be broken down into smaller components. Second, isotopes exist. Atoms of the same element can actually have different masses due to varying numbers of neutrons in their nuclei. This contradicted Dalton's claim that all atoms of an element are identical. Two more important limitations were discovered. Isobars, which are atoms of different elements that have the same atomic mass but different properties, were not explained by Dalton's theory. Additionally, allotropes were not addressed. Allotropes are different physical forms of the same element, such as diamond and graphite, which are both made of carbon but have vastly different properties. Dalton's theory could not account for these variations. Despite its limitations, Dalton's atomic theory remains immensely significant. It was the first quantitative atomic theory based on experimental evidence, which gave chemistry a solid scientific foundation. The theory laid the groundwork for modern chemistry and atomic physics. It enabled scientists to predict and understand chemical reactions in ways never before possible. Most importantly, it inspired future atomic models developed by scientists like Thomson, Rutherford, and Bohr, each building upon Dalton's foundational work. To summarize, Dalton's atomic theory introduced the revolutionary concept of indivisible spheres as the building blocks of matter. Although we now know that atoms are not truly indivisible and that they have internal structure, Dalton's theory was a monumental achievement. It revolutionized chemistry and paved the way for our modern understanding of atomic structure. This theory truly represents the foundation of atomic science and remains one of the most important contributions to chemistry in history.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.